Hello guys, how are you? Today I will let you know how to fix a remote or any electronic equipment which have these kind of number pads, and usually we have these kind of number pads in our keyboards, telephone sets, cordless phones, and TV remotes, PS4 remotes, etc. So basically I will let you know how it's working or how it works. Basically this is the number pad, and when we press any button, the conductor at the back side meet the 2 points on the PCB. So at right now uh, the conductor is not working because it has loosened its conductivity, and for that purpose I have replaced this conductor with aluminum foil. So here I have aluminum foil. It's just a simple aluminum foil, and you have to cut it into small pieces and then paste it over here. So when you will paste it, this will work as a conductor. So the original conductor of this keypad will be replaced by this one, and it will work fine. So I think now I have checked this, but it's working fine. But these three buttons, 1, 2 and 3, is not working because I have not replaced these three. So now I'm going to replace these three, and then I will check my cordless telephone sets. Okay, now I have replaced all these conductors by this aluminum foil conductors. So now let's see, will it works or not. Now you can see all these buttons are working fine. I replaced all conductors with aluminum foil. Hit like button if you like this, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.